Okay, we have Mrs. Roseanne Raffaelli, who is an employee of mine for a little over 2 years. And she is a 64-year-old woman, and she has a very interesting story, because there are a few things that we can learn about testosterone deficiency from her. It was the spring of 2007 when we did a testosterone level on her, and it was significantly low. But we both decided to not treat her because she had no symptoms of testosterone deficiency. She had good energy, she had good libido, no depression or anxiety, so we decided to wait. A year later, however, she's scheduled to have her knee replaced. So we thought it would be a good idea for her to have a few shots of testosterone to build her up, to put her in an anabolic condition so that she'd recuperate faster from the knee surgery, which is what we did. So let's talk the first thing, what happened with the knee surgery and the recuperation.
Went very well. I recovered very fast. They were very surprised that in 4 days after the surgery, I was able to put my own shoes and socks on. Well, the girl next to me took her about 2 weeks after.
2 weeks?
Yes. I was only in therapy for 19 days and I walked out of there without nothing.
So you really recuperated quickly?
Yes, very much.
So it was a very successful treatment for joint replacement?
Yes.
But then also something else happened. As you continued on the shots, we found that you actually hadn't been so free of testosterone symptoms earlier. Because there's been a change in your libido.
Yes.
And there's been a change in your mental outlook, and there's been a change in your energy level.
I feel good about myself. I feel more confident about myself. When I didn't have it, I felt myself like a piece of garbage. I existed from day to day. To me, it made no difference if I lived or died. Here I feel alive. I'm raring to go. And I feel very good about myself. I really do.
And sexually?
I'm very happy with my sex life. I have a boyfriend for the last 4 years. And
he's happy too?
He's happy too.
Okay.
You know, I've been a widow before, and you know, for 3-4 years I didn't have nobody. So I think that's what brought me all the way down. I live by myself, and it, you know, it depresses me. I don't feel depressed anymore like I used to do.
Okay.
It filled my confidence quite up. It did.
A good happy ending.
Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Thank you. I hope it helps somebody else.
I'm sure it will.